Hey everybody. Been a while since I've been on the channel. I've been extremely busy with these CNC machines that I'm now producing. And while producing those machines, I had a thought and I want to run it by you. Now, while there is a plethora of content on our channel, it's not very structured and it's not all inclusive. What I would like to do, and it will take a lot for me to do this, a time that is, but what I would like to do is create a members only area so nobody else can view it unless you're a member, and a complete instruction from literally start to finish in great detail, step by step, phase by phase, from laying out your shop, the best, in my opinion, the best machines to get, where to source your materials, and from that point, begin the actual process of storing your materials, getting it ready for production, producing the queue in its entirety. Now, this is going to be a very long series, and I'm going to do it like a TV series. Episode 1, episode 2, season 1, season 2, that kind of thing. And it's going to be very in order and structured. I'm going to start from the very beginning, and each video will be dedicated to a certain step in the process. And while I currently am charging basically $5 a month for members, I am going to remove that membership and create a new one. And it's only going to be, instead of $5, it's only going to be $1.99. So 199 pennies per month. And for that $1.99, you're going to get full access to all of the members only content. You'll always have access to it, potentially download it. But best of all, I'm going to give you information on how you can reach out to me on the phone in real time to ask me questions after you've watched the video. Because, videos, they give you a lot of information, but you can't talk to it. The more information you learn, or the more information you get, the more questions you generate. And I understand that. And I understand that you're going to develop questions along the way. And I do want to extend that offer. If you're a member, you can give me a call. We can talk and discuss the problem or the question that you have, and I can guide you through it. I think this is going to be a very beneficial series, even more so than what the content that we already have or that we currently have. So I am ready to go. I have the first video ready to be posted or published, but I'm going to wait until I get the first member. Once the first member has signed up, again, it's only $1.99 a month, guys. Once the first member has signed up to the members only area, then I'm going to release that video and it will begin the process. Even if only one member ever subscribes or becomes a member, I'm going to begin that process and carry it throughout and see it till the end. Now, we currently have, 4,000, 4,500 members, something like that. And, not everybody is going to need or require a membership, although it's going to be a lot more informational and helpful and beneficial if you do, because it's going to have a lot more information in it. But anyway, I am back. I am ready to begin this series. I'm very excited about it, and I hope to see you there. To join, you can do so by going back to the homepage of the channel and looking down below the photo at the top of my channel, and you'll see join or subscribe or become a member, and just click on that and it'll walk you through the process. Again, these videos will not be publicly released. They will only be available to members only, and I hope you become one of them. I hope to see you soon, guys. I'm really excited about this. I have a lot of great ideas for it. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.